children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you stay blessed. Okay. Now yesterday we have completed all these 3 experiments which you have learnt all. Okay children. Now today I am going to say the new, like it is consists of 3 topics, like what is the energy flow and what is the balance in nature, how we are depending upon the wind on each other, whether they are anyone in the earth environment, we are just depending on each other. Okay children. Now first one is energy flow. Okay, what do you mean by energy flow? See children, there are different types of energy, like it is not in the biology point, it is like from the physics point. Different types of solar energy, atomic energy, geothermal energy, these all energies are present. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the energy flow. How the energy flow? See, when you are eating the food, what you got from the food? Yes, you get energy. You get energy. How you are getting energy? Because of the digestion process, right? Yes. And because of the chemical process also, when we are eating, what we are going into, we don't know, right? So that because of all the chemical process, biological process, we are getting energy. So food helps us to grow and food provides us energy. Okay children. So now you check it once. Now we are eating the food. Where it comes from? It comes from the plants. Where it is, they are getting energy from. They are getting energy because of they are preparing their own food and they are consuming also. Okay, like with the help of sunlight, warmth, okay, the soil, all the nutrients. Yes, they can prepare their own food with the help of photosynthesis, as we discussed earlier. Okay, so when they are consuming the food, all these processes going on, they got the nutrients from the soil. And what we are doing when we are consuming the food, whatever the peels are there, what are the different vegetables are there, then we are throwing it onto the ground and it is converting into soil. It means the energy is flowing from the soil to the plants, to the animals and human beings, from the human beings to the plants again. So this process is going on. Okay children. So now as you understand this flow of energy, I will show you how. Okay, plants, next they are giving the food to the animals. What the animals can do? They are digesting the food and they are throwing onto the ground, soil. And this soil consists of all the nutrients, right? Then again from the soil, what is growing on? Plants. So plants with the help of photosynthesis. And animals with the help of digestion. Because they are depending upon this one. Okay, with the help of digestion. You know children, with the help of digestion, what happens? It is converted into the soil. The soil, it consists of all the nutrients because of the decay and dead matter. Okay, because of the all microorganism. So how this energy is flowing, continuously flowing of energy is there. Okay children. Okay, I hope you understand this. Now children, one more I want to speak about it. This is very important. Like I want to say that how we can, like if in the nature, if imbalance is there, can they survive? No. But what we have to do then? We have to balance it. When we have to balance it, it means we have to protect plants as well as ourselves also, right? If we are protecting others, it means we are ultimately or indirectly we are protecting ourselves only. Okay children, one thing I want to say beta, like sun to the plants, it gives us animals. You can see this one in your textbook also, children. Okay. From the sun, what the plants can take? Sunlight. Yes. And animals, what they are giving to the from the animals, what it is they are taking? Carbon dioxide. And plants gives the animals what beta? Oxygen. Okay. And what they are giving? The sunlight. Even the sunlight is useful for us also. Okay. So many things we are doing with that. So, as this exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide is continuously going on. Oxygen. O2 means oxygen. O2 carbon dioxide. CO2 means carbon dioxide. Oxygen to carbon dioxide. Okay, children. Oxygen who is giving? Plants. And carbon dioxide who is giving? Animals. Understood, children? And from the carbon dioxide who is taking? Plants. Oxygen who is taking? Animals. So this balance should be every time maintained in the nature. That is the reason even plants also depend on us, and even we are also depending on the plants. Okay, children. So this is very important, whether it is a gases, whether it's a nutrients, whether it's a energy. It should be balanced in nature. Okay. See, children, it is not like so you might have listened about the food web and food chain also. Okay. So whenever any of the animals are killed in a high species, it's a danger for us also, because what is the basic nature of law is every species has its own existence in this nature. Okay, so we don't have any rights to kill any of the animal. Okay, and one more thing, we have to depend on the plants. Okay, nowadays we are depending more on the animals also. That is wrong, because we know we can cultivate our plants, we can eat the plant products. Okay, that is much more enough, children. Okay, now what I want to say is, if we need balance in nature and if we want to conserve our nature, it is very important to protect the animals and protect the plants. Grow more trees. It's very important. And for that, only things are most of the government has created the so many sanctuaries they have created, national parks, the zoos, the protection of the laws. They have been created. Okay, so what is our prime responsibility? We know that we have to grow the plants, we have to take care of the plants. As you know, even your mother also, your parents also taking care of your plants also. Understood, children? Even I hope you are also doing. Okay, yes, most of you are also good children, so you are also doing. Okay, now see, there is one day that you can plant more trees, right? What is that day? Yes, that is Vana Mahotsava day. It comes in the month of June or July. Understood, children? So I hope you have understand this lesson, and the balance in nature is very important. How the energy flows, how we are depending on plants, how the plants are depending on us. This is the very wonderful planet which we are living, and I hope you are know all these valuable things. And because of this, we get to know that how the plants are very important to us. Okay, children? So as we have discussion all the things, all the experiments also, how the photosynthesis is going on, how the exchange of energy. Okay, this all we have understood, and what are the different parts of the plant, okay, parts of the leaf also we have done. So I hope you have understand this lesson, and if you are getting any down, just go through with the book. Tomorrow onward I will do the textual exercises, okay, and textual reading I will do. Most of the hard words and the keywords what is there in the lesson will get to know. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Bye bye.